welcome to another tutorial in Diagrammer. I've gotten quite a few requests on doing a tutorial on a background like this, so of course that's what we're going to do. Going to show you on the back page from my book. You will need a nice piece of paper or a ruler like this. The only important part is that it's totally straight. And then of course some pencils. I have chosen some nice greens for my background. I'm using polychromos. May green, chromium green opaque, earth green, olive green yellowish, juniper green, light green and permanent green olive. I'll of course use these to show you when I use the pencils. It's not necessary to stay in one color family. You can choose and mix whatever colors you like, red and orange or even red and blue. It's all up to you what you want. Now let's begin. I have chosen to start with my color I want to show the least. Now I just put down my ruler or piece of paper and start making lines. I press a bit harder at the top and then I fade out the line. As you see, this is the result. And it can be done quite quickly. And there's absolutely no need to have an equal space, because that will look quite weird once we are finished actually. There we go. Going to keep making lines here to fill out this area. And one there. Now let's pick the next color. I want some light green. It's not one of the colors I want the most of, so I'm going to use it now. Just want a hint of brightness. You can make some lines really close to each other and just have fun. As you see, it's slowly beginning to take form. This is not a difficult way to do a background. It's not really time consuming either. It could be a lot worse. Let's throw in some permanent green olive. One of my favorite greens. You can even make some shorter strokes just to make a bit of variation. This is very easy, as you see, very easy. And now for one of my absolutely favorite greens, the May green. I want this to be very dominant, so I'm going to use quite a lot of it, because I really like these warm yellowish greens. You see, it's really taking form now, showing its beauty. So easy, so quick, very effectful. Now let's grab a really dark green. Let me find it. There we go. And I'm going to press quite hard with this because it will give a bit of contrast, and we like that a bit to make it even more effectful. You see, this is turning out so nice. And it really helps bring focus to the object in the middle, because the lines is fading out towards our design. So this is really a nice way to do a background. Now I'll speed things up a bit and we'll see it once it's finished. background is finished, using the exact same colors in the exact same order as I showed you first. Now I'm going to flip the book upside down, and down here we are going to make quite a lot longer lines, so it'll fit up nicely with our top lines. This is what our background looks like now. Very effectful. We do get these white areas right here because of the butterfly wings. You can make stripes to fill it out if you want, or you can leave it as it is. It's all up to you. Have fun with this technique. I can't wait to see all your beautiful work. See you next time.